Hey my baking friends, today we're going to be baking cookies and I have my gloves on and I have some friends. So this is all of our ingredients we're going to use to make the cookies. Just luck. So I will tell you the ingredients. So these are 2 eggs and this is 1 tablespoon of baking powder. This is 1/4 of melted butter. This is all I got. Now, my cousins will do the rest. So, thank you.
Hi everybody, so I'm gonna tell you the rest of them. So this is half a cup of brown sugar. This is 1/4 of tablespoon of salt. And this is 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract.
Hey, I'm going to tell you the last ingredients that we have. So this is half a cup of sugar. This is 2/3 of a flour. This is 1 cup of Nutella. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder.
We need a bowl like this to mix the ingredients. So, the first ingredient is cocoa powder. Now, the next ingredient is flour. Now, the third ingredient is salt. So, the last ingredient is baking soda.
So now we're going to be mixing all the ingredients that my cousin put it in. So these are all the dry ingredients. So right now we're going to be mixing the butter with the Nutella. We have adult supervision with us.
So, I'm going to put the rest of the ingredients. So, first thing, you need eggs. And now you need vanilla, brown sugar, and now you need normal sugar. And now we mix them.
So now that we mix the Nutella and the butter, we put it in with the mixture that my cousin put. So now we have adult supervision, by the way. Now you're gonna use an electric mixer to mix it in.
So now I'm just gonna pour this powder. Oh, sorry about the mess.
And now we mix again. Before we open the electrical mixer, we just mix it in without us opening it, because the powder will go all over the place if we open it. Now we open it.
So this is our tray that we're going to put our cookie brownies in.
So now we're gonna put the baking paper on the tray. So now we're gonna get some scissors and cut this baking paper so it can fit the tray. So now we're gonna put the mix that we just made to the baking paper and the tray.
So now we took the cookies out of the oven. Now we'll have to let the cookies cool off and then we're going to try them. So now we're going to be tasting the cookies. Now we have a special guest just to try out our cookies. So let's try this. I'm going to take this one. It's delicious. 3, 2, 1. It's crunchy and chewy, so good. It's super delicious. Like and comment if you want us to make other cookies. cooking video.
And you guys need to try out this cookie recipe with us.
And thank you for watching if you're watching this right now.
Bye! I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.
Now,
Yep. Deal with it.
When are you gonna start? You say 3, 2.
3, 2, 1.
Hey, my baking.
3, 2, 1.
hello. So these are the rest of the ingredients.
She's Sara, by the way.
Yeah, I'm Sara. Wait.
I didn't say my name.
Stop ingredients.
Half a cup of sugar. This is a 1 cup of flour. 2/3 of a flour.
Cheese. Cheese.
This is our tray.
Am I good? This is our tray.
This is my tray. La mole.